Hello guys, I'm gonna start off by jumping into the brows first. I'm grabbing the Brow MVP Ultra Fine Brow Pencil, and this is from Fenty Beauty. Girl, it has been so long since I've done a makeup tutorial with a voiceover. Munakumbuka, I used to do so much voiceover like a few years ago, and now doing it again, I'm like, how do we do this? How do we do this? But if you're new, welcome. My name is Esther, and it's so good to have you guys tuning in today. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and also hit that notification bell so then you are notified when I upload. So I'm going to go ahead and clean up these brows with the Rare Beauty Concealer. Now, today's makeup look is a little different because we are doing a no foundation makeup application. I love these type of looks because they take less time, honestly, and they look super flawless and we don't have foundation on the skin. And especially now as we're getting a little bit closer to the summer weather, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I don't really care to rock foundations all the time. Warmer seasons I stay away from foundation. I don't know what's going on. I can't talk today. What's going on? So I am grabbing this Tula primer, and this one says it's supposed to be a moisturizing primer as well, but your girl got dry skin and I did not feel no moisture from this primer, but I did want to go ahead and rock it for today's look because it is more of an illuminating primer and I felt like it gives me this nice glow, especially for this type of look. So grabbing the Glow Recipe Ultra Mist, I'm telling y'all, I can spray this all over my skin for hours. It feels so refreshing. It's just the best thing, best thing ever created. If you haven't got your hands on that Glow Recipe, you need to, it's so bomb. So grabbing this Fenty Beauty Concealer, I mean, at this point, Fenty Beauty, you're playing games. We should sponsor your girl on this concealer because I cannot stop using this concealer, and especially this shade 420. I love rocking this, especially for a no makeup look, or like this look, a no foundation makeup look. It's perfect for this because it's gonna hide my problem areas, my dark circles, all that is just gonna correct that problem first, and then I'm gonna apply my concealer. For concealer today, I went ahead and tested out this Rare Beauty concealer in the shade 430W. Now, I've done a review for Rare Beauty foundation and concealer, but I'm testing this product out without the foundation being the base. You get me? So I wanted to see how this concealer would actually look without any foundation, because foundation is more full coverage and then we just kind of apply this on top. And this concealer did a good job because at the end of this video, you guys are going to see how flawless my skin is going to look. Now I'm highlighting all the points that I normally highlight, and then I'm also going to grab the Morphe concealer as well. This is just going to act as my cream bronzer. If you're new to this channel, I usually grab a concealer a couple shades darker than my skin tone, and it's gonna act as my cream bronzer. It's just something that I've been doing for years. It works pretty good. Save your coins if you don't care to buy a cream bronzer because you can kind of just do the same thing with your concealer. So I'm just going to blend this all out. By the way, the Morphe concealer, it's in the shade, let's see, C5.45. Again, check the description box. I promise y'all I will have all the products down below because I be forgetting, okay? Don't be calling me a liar. I just be forgetting, sis. Yeah, make sure you check the description box for all the products. So I am just blending this away. Now you can kind of tell that the concealer shade, the Morphe one, is a little bit more in the reddish undertone, but it's fine. I honestly love this shade on me, especially again as we jump into the warmer season. This one looks so good on my skin tone. Now I'm setting underneath my eyes and all the points that I highlighted with the translucent setting powder from Mercier because that's nothing new, but we're gonna skip this step because it's kind of, you know, I use the same product on that part. So grabbing the Anastasia Beverly Hills bronzer in Mahogany, I am just setting my creams. Now, if you've watched me for a long time, I used to do this step and then I'll grab my MAC setting powder and set one more time if I want, you know, my products not to go nowhere. But I end up stopping doing that step. It's really not, I can't say it's not necessary because I still could do it, but after that MAC product, I hit pan, finished the whole thing. I just didn't really care to do it anymore, you know? And that's pretty much the only product I liked was that MAC setting powder. That's it, or the Lancome. And not even Lancome. I prefer the MAC one. So once it was done, I didn't really, care to do it again. So blended the nose, which looks stunning. And now it's time to add a little bit of blush, and I'm grabbing the NARS Air Matte Blush in Rush. Now, correct me if I'm wrong, but I am so surprised that this product has not gone viral yet on TikTok, because I know the NARS Orgasm went viral out of nowhere, which I really didn't care for that blush. I had it, and I'm like, I don't get the purpose. I don't know why it's going viral, but this one should go viral because it's so, so beautiful. It's creamy. It sits on the skin like butter, and it's just perfect for this season, summer and spring especially. So I am jumping into the eyes, grabbing the Sigma eyeshadow in, I think, Fiery. I did not catch that. I don't have some of the products on me right now, so I'm just looking at the screen and kind of, going with the flow. So today's makeup look, I wanted something orange. I wanted to feel like summer and spring. That is all I can say with this look. Something super easy, yet I feel like this look is perfect for a sunset dinner on a beach, or girl, this look gives all types of vibes, and I cannot wait to recreate this look again for the summer and just look hexa bronze, okay? So applying that orange eyeshadow, just blending that onto the crease. Not the crease, I'm sorry, the eyelid. So I'm going to blend those two together, and I'm going to add a nice dark brown eyeshadow into that crease, just to add a little bit of depth into this look, because I felt like the orange was a little much. Just adding that brown tones it down a little bit, but not too much. You know what I'm saying? I love this look, you guys. It is such a stunning, stunning look. Obviously, my favorite part is anyone can recreate this look because it's super easy, yet timeless, okay? When I tell y'all, this whole entire look took less, and I mean less than an hour. I'm pretty sure I did this look for 30 minutes, honestly. But again, I am more of a makeup artist, so I beat my face all the time on a daily, so I get used to it, okay? So grabbing that gold eyeshadow and just applying that in the inner corner of my eye to add a little bit of pop. And now it's time for lashes. Lilly Lashes have been my favorites. Now y'all know I love me some good old Cocoa lashes, okay? But Lilly, listen, they're more high-end, but I think they're definitely worth it. They have lashes for every occasion, okay? And they're just perfect. I love this style because it's so much more fuller, flirtier, and just beautiful. So applying some highlight. Now, if you watched my vlog or my recent makeup tutorial, I think I told y'all that I enjoy an illuminating highlighter more than a powder highlighter if I'm going to apply highlight, because I just feel like it just looks more natural. It hits perfectly in the sun, and it just really melts into the skin, just how I love. But for the brow highlight, I'm gonna grab this MAC Gold Deposit because, girl, this is an OG highlighter, but it's so good. Like, please, MAC, never discontinue this highlight. It's just so bomb. It's one of my favorites because it just looks so freaking good on the skin. Oh my gosh. So for lips, I am grabbing this Melt Cosmetics lip liner in the shade Caffeine. Lately, I have been getting my hands on brown lip liners that are perfect, and y'all know how I feel about brown. Brown is just my thing for lip liner. It's just my thing, girl. This one from Melt, this is in the shade Caffeine, just beautiful. And I'm gonna top it all off with the Laura Mercier lip gloss in the shade Rose. Such a beautiful nude-ish pink. And this is it for the look, okay? I'm gonna set with the Glow Recipe Setting Mist. I'm gonna just spray the mess out of my face, girl, because, and if this was in slow-mo, this would be too funny. But anyways, she looks cute. She's ready to go nowhere as usual, okay? I hope y'all enjoyed this makeup look. Again, thank you so much for tuning in, my loves. I'm enjoying bringing these makeup looks back because I look good. This look is fire, 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 fire.